Namaskar, all the souls present over here having the body or not have a body. My kind regards and pranam to all of you. What we call death is not complete death. It is just an absence of the physical body. Let you know, we are living our life by using 5 bodies. They are the physical body, the pranic body, mental body, understanding body, and the bliss body. During death, the physical body dies and all the rest 4 bodies collects themselves just after death and move forward as it is a natural system. And later that soul gets another body according to the past karma. A question can be asked here: how long does it take to get a body? Well, it depends on the universal nature. But before moving forward, that soul tries to find and stay with the same body because of attachment. After the cremation, some sort of attachment of that soul breaks automatically, but there are some more attachments with the family and friends. So the soul still wants to stay with them. By some yogic experiments, our ancient yogis and saints have found that the soul stays near the family almost 13 days after death. This system is also revealed by some rebirth true incidents. That's why the family members of the dead persons do some rituals for 13 days. All the rituals are designed and presented to show and to remind the soul that now you are dead. You should go on your own journey. So, all the rituals are reminders to the soul that here everything is finished for you. So, please move forward. Some more theories and rituals can be there after the death, looking at the different countries and the different religions, but the essence of the rituals are the same. All the rituals helps that soul to move forward and not to stay here anymore. Look, our saints are very clever. They were not designed all the rituals only for that soul to move forward. Those rituals are also a reminder to you that you also move forward and be aware of your death. It can come anytime. The awareness of death arise over here maybe for some time, but it helps you to look deep into yourself that you are not only a body, but you also are more than your body. And you should try to discover your real identity before your death. For sure, it is going to happen that the way you are asking that soul to move forward, in the same way you will be asked to move forward after your death by your family members. And it is also very sure you must die. One more unique aspect you can find in the path of knowledge. This path says that everyone has their own karma. So, your rituals cannot help that soul. So, do your own positive service and your own practice without giving any emotional attention to that soul. The path of knowledge says it can be possible that the soul took bath somewhere else just 3 hours after the death, and you are doing some rituals over here for that soul when that soul is not available over here at all. But it is a rare case. In normal cases, most of the soul stays almost 13 days near the family. In the end, I would like to say to all of you, please do meditate daily, very intensely, not casually. And finally, I would like to say thank you to Hinaji.